What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sunny Days. So today we're gonna put some new wheels on these worn down wheels on my rollerblades, so I can play street hockey nice and fast. These are 2 PM sports rollerblades. Get them on Amazon, as you can see here. Sports. So our tools, all you need to replace rollerblade wheels is a couple Allen wrenches. So you just take some of the Allen wrenches and you twist it.
Other way.
Oops! Twist it, and you keep one steady. So because they're like, this one screws into that one. So you keep the one steady, so it doesn't spin. So these, the bearings, it doesn't spin very fast. We're gonna place it with these Stinger yellow jacket bearings that you can get on Amazon, and they'll probably spin a lot faster than just this. Might see a lot of other videos where you use like something to pry it out, but that doesn't work for these type because they have a spacer in between. So if you try and do that, just like, it doesn't work. The best way to get these out is to go like this. And then you find something about the same size as it, and then you just tap it with like a hammer, mallet, or something, and that is how you get it out. See? It comes out right here. Right here. Comes out, as you can see. And then this, just like push it out, the same thing. And sometimes it might be hard, but it'll work eventually. See, there. It's out. And then that, so I remove the bearings off these things. Next, we're gonna put the new bearings right here, the Stinger's yellow jacket, on our new wheels right here. Ready? These are the new wheels, the new bearings. As you can see, they'll spin really fast. So you just go ahead and make sure the blue's out. Just push it. So now we're gonna put the spacer in. Ready? Looks like it's in. Now we're gonna put the other bearing on. There. So we got our first wheel on. And now we have to do the same thing for the other 7. As you can see, we got all the wheels out and all the bearings and things off. So now we did the first 4, so now we have to do the second 4. Right here. So, let's get to it. As you can see, we got all the bearings in the wheels. Now we're gonna start putting them on. So you put it on, and then you get this on. You can see it's like hollow, so you screw this on right here. You can screw that on. One thing you have to pay close attention to, if you have a brake on yours, there's a longer one for that. Like this. See? This is the brake. This is the normal wheel. I'm gonna strap these up and see how fast I go. Oops, wrong foot. You ready to see how fast I go? They're so fast. They have so much grip. They're so fast. They have so much grip. So that's how you replace rollerblade wheels. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.